Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given that the surface area of a cube is 6 times a over 4 squared, where a is a positive constant. So first, we have to find, if we want to find the perimeter, we're going to have to find the side length of the cube. So if we draw the cube right here, the cube, every edge in this cube is going to be the same length, right? That's what makes it a cube and not some other rectangular prism. So the surface area of the cube is going to be the sum of all the sides, or of all the faces, right? And if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, which you can think of as the 4 sides and then the top and the bottom. We have 6 faces, and then let's call the side length x. We have 6 faces times the area of 1. Put this intermediate step here just to make it a little bit clearer. And if we have the side length, or the edge length, let's call it x, then the area of one of these squares is going to be x times x, so we have 6x squared. So if the edge length is x, then the surface area is going to be 6x squared. We know that the area is actually 6 times a over 4 squared. So from this, we can see a similar thing where we have this is the edge length, and then it's squared to give us the area of one of the faces. And then there's 6 of them, so you multiply it by 6. So we know the length of one of these edges is a over 4. So if that's true, which of the following is the perimeter of one face of the cube? Well, that's going to be one of these squares. What is its perimeter? And it just has 4 sides of equal lengths. So it's a plus 4, plus a plus 4, plus a plus 4, plus a plus 4, or a over 4 times 4, which is just 4a over 4 and just a. So if the surface area of a cube is 6 times a over 4 squared, the perimeter of one face of the cube is a, which is going to be b as your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.